I had a whole plan for my YouTube channel, and then COVID-19 hit and I was like, I feel lost. So sorry I haven't been around. I just wanted to throw that out there. I've been using this for a while. I like it. It's affordable. It's only $4.99 Canadian. Score. Finish some stuff up. Like I need to devote my time to using the things that are in my collection, and this is one of the ways of doing that. I need to hit pan. I want to hit pan. I will hit pan. I don't reach for everything all the time because I have so many things, because I got a lot of stuff and I got a lot of time, so I might as well use it. What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders. This is my channel. We talk about a lot of makeup, we do unboxings, some skincare, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in that, make sure you stick around, and we're going to get right into today's video. So today we are starting a new project pan. We are starting a full face of makeup. So we're just going to dive right into the items. I picked one item for each part of a full face of glam, and I am going to try and use these products, and I will let you know why I have chose these for this project pan. The first product that I have chose is my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. This is the Cucumber Setting Spray. This weighs 93 grams now, starting at the project pan, so I will definitely be using this. I love this setting spray. It is one of my favorites, so I'm really excited to add it to this project pan so that I can continue using it. Unfortunately, with the quarantine and the self-isolation, I am not doing my makeup as much as I used to, so I might not do as many get ready with me type videos, but you will definitely see a lot more project pan type of things coming from me in the next little while, because I got a lot of stuff and I got a lot of time, so I might as well use it. Next up is a lipstick. This is by Deck of Scarlet. This is in the shade Brunch Babe. I've had this in my collection for a while. It's one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. I do really enjoy it. It weighed in at, this was 34 grams when I weighed it in, so we're going to see as the months progress how much I use of this product. I do use it quite a bit. I'm wearing it today. I do like it. It's a very nice color, but you know, I don't reach for everything all the time because I have so many things. So get ready to see this. I'm very excited. I'm actually very excited for a lot of these items that I picked for this particular project pan. Next, I did choose a primer for my collection. This is my CoverGirl True Blend. This is the smoothing primer. I was a little iffy on this at first. I wasn't sure how I felt about it. However, it is growing on me. I used it today. My skin has been very dehydrated lately, so I'm not overly impressed with how I look, but that's okay. But I did use this. There's 30 grams left in this product, so I will be using that, and I will give you updates and weigh them in as I go too, so that you guys can see how much progress I'm really making. For an eyeshadow base today, for this project pan, I chose my Essence I Heart Color Intensifying eyeshadow base. I don't hate this. I don't necessarily love it though, so I don't reach for it as often as I should. I did use it today. It works well. I have no real complaints, but I have it in my collection, and I really wanted to choose something for this project pan that I wasn't necessarily reaching for on the regular, so hopefully that'll help me get this going. Next up is a blush that you've been seeing on my channel forever, and I am one day going to hit pan on this. I promise you. It's coming. Oh, I'm kicking the camera around. So this is my Tarte blush in the shade Party. This is the Amazonian 12-Hour Clay. Now, it is close. I think I'll hit pan on it soon. It weighed in at 18 grams. So we are just going to keep on trucking away at that, and hopefully we'll be able to make a dent in it, and hopefully we'll be able to hit pan. I've had this blush. I've been using this blush longer than any other blush in my collection.
I need to hit pan. I want to hit pan. I will hit pan.
Next up is the first product I ever hit pan on, but I want to make the dent a little bit bigger. This is by New York Color. This is my bronzer in the shade 720, which is Sunny. This was the first thing I ever hit pan on, and I want to contribute to this a little bit more. I don't reach for this product as much as I should. However, it was one of the first bronzers that I truly fell in love with. I like this better than the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I've heard some people say it can be kind of similar. I didn't like the Hoola bronzer, but I do like this one. And guess what? It's super affordable. So this weighed in at 36 grams. So let's see how much we can actually get going. I also like that it has a little mirror. That makes me happy. I picked one liquid eyeshadow from my collection for this, and I'm wearing it on my eyes right now. It is the shade Kitten. This is the Stila liquid eyeshadow. Oh my God, I love these so much. They're so pretty. They work really well. They're smooth. They blend, but they're expensive. But I was able to snag a 6-pack of the minis from Winners for like $30 back in the summer, or in the winter, or whenever I got them. And I have to say, I am so impressed that I probably would buy a full size of these. We will see when I finish this one how I feel about that. For concealer, I have chose to use my Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Light. This weighed in at 18 grams. I've been using this for a while. I think I'm gonna get that. I know it's getting close. I don't use it all the time because sometimes it does crease. I am wearing it today. As you can see, it's creased a little bit, but that's probably my fault. It happens. So this is a really good concealer. It can dry down very quickly, so you want to work fast, but I need to finish it up, so I definitely want to use it for this full face of Project Pan. I am wearing it today, like I said. It's not a favorite, but we're going for it. I chose a lip balm for this one as well. This is my Vanilla Mint lip balm from Young Living. I like this lip balm a lot. I really want to use it. I want to finish some stuff up. Like I need to devote my time to using the things that are in my collection, and this is one of the ways of doing that. So this is the lip balm that I have chose. This weighed in at 9 grams, so I'm pretty confident that I'll be able to finish this up. Also, I do have one foundation. It's a small size though, so I will be able to use it up hopefully quickly. This is my Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour wearing foundation. I forgot I had this. I received it in a Nipsey. It's gonna get used. It'll get used quickly. So I thought, what better way to use it than to put it into this full face Project Pan. And when I finish this one, I will put another foundation in. For brows, I did want to go with my Glamo Brow by Rodial. I don't even know how you say it. This thing is so close to being done. Like, look. I'm almost there. So I used this today. It's one of my favorite brow pencils. It has a spoolie on the end, which makes me very happy. And it weighed in at just 2 grams. So I know I'm close. I know I'll be able to finish this. That's part of what this Project Pan was. I wanted to pick some items that I know I'll use and some that I know I need to use, if that makes sense. My Lash Princess mascara. This is the False Lash Effect. This is by Essence. I love this mascara. I am wearing it today. It is very nice. It gives your lashes lots of fullness, lots of volume. I'm very satisfied when I use this, but I do want to say one thing about it. It has a very wet formula. So if you don't wipe the bristles off sometimes it can get a little clumpy. So just wipe the bristles off, fix it up. I really like this one. I love Essence products. They're like one of my favorite brands, especially considering how affordable they are. So win for me. I can't wait to use this. This weighed in at 28 grams.
Now, I've been using this for a while. I like it. It's affordable. It's only $4.99 Canadian. Score.
The highlight that I've picked is by NARS. This is Fort de France. This is a very pretty highlight. I never reach for this ever, so I want to make sure that I'm using it. It is very pretty. I'm wearing it on my cheeks today. Just gives you a little subtle glow. Nothing too big, nothing too bold. You can layer it up, but I didn't do that. But I do like this. Oh, there's one more product. I lied. I have an eyeshadow palette that I picked, of course. So I chose for my full face of Project Panning, I chose the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. Now, the reason I picked this is because I'm not gonna lie. If I've ever had a product regret, it was probably this. I didn't need this palette. I have all these colors. The only two that really ever called to me from this palette were these 2 green shades. However, I do really like this gray shade. And I can make this palette work. I'm wearing it today. I'm wearing the shade Lynn, 1985, Calabasas, and Fastlane. So I like this palette. I don't love this palette. I want to give it some love. That's why I chose it for the Project Pan, because I know if it's a part of my Project Pan, it will give me more incentive to use it, which is really what I have to do. So expect to see this in some more videos. Now, like I said at the beginning of my video, I have fallen into the most ridiculous slump of my life, which is understandable. If you've fallen into a slump right now, that's okay. So it's okay. I'm having a hard time adjusting to this.
I had a whole plan for my YouTube channel, and then COVID-19 hit, and I was like, I feel lost. So been around. I just wanted to throw that out there. My sister sent me a picture and I'm going to post it right here.
Because it is just, it made me, I needed it. I cried when I read it and I was like, I needed to see this. So I hope that, I'm going to post it right here. I hope that that helps you guys. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments, do you like any of these products? Do you hate any of these products? How have you been holding up with all of the shenanigans that are going on in the world? And just know that I absolutely love all of you. I appreciate all of your support. You guys are amazing. And I hope that you're all staying safe, staying healthy, and staying home. I will see you guys in my next video. I absolutely love you guys. I'll talk to you soon.